I mean, in her shoes, these are some of the things. Based on the face of the law, these are some of the considerations you would be adopting. And like you rightly said, in the past, our jurisprudence has pointed to the fact that the admissibility probably would be in question. But some of the latest rulings on some of these matters have also admitted some of them on the back of maybe the consequence of what not admitting them would bring to bear. But do you think it makes any difference in terms of the admissibility? Do you think it makes any difference? It adds any weight? The caliber of people involved, the AG on the one end and the minority leader on the other end, could that affect the decision of the judge in this matter in any way? Because of, like you said, consequence is of consequence. Could it affect anything?
This judge, Justice Ifya, has demonstrated that she is no respecter of persons.
That's what we hear. She's no nonsense.
Yes, like I've said, those who saw her when she was in practice, and I had the privilege of experiencing some of her work in practice in Kumasi when I started work, the same attitude she has carried to the bench. And so irrespective of who is involved, she is going to dispense justice according to her appreciation without any fear or influence or any consideration of the personalities involved. So I have no doubt that she is going to deliver a ruling according to her appreciation of the law, and then whoever or however it goes, she will stand by it and will be able to justify it.
Now, we know that the audio recording was admitted. It formed the basis of the trial judge's 6th June 2024 ruling on a mistrial, among others. Of course, she didn't grant that position for a mistrial. But you listen to your colleague, Aziz Bamba, lead counsel for Dr. Cassielato Forson, and he says that the telephone conversation hinged largely on the agreement between the government of Ghana and the letter of credit that was subsequently issued, making the recording an important piece in the ongoing trial. He also argues that the AG's posturing in the audio recording constitutes willful, and I'm focusing on the words intentionally, willful oppression of an accused, and that it is not the Attorney General's place to be giving theories to an accused person in an ongoing trial. Then he tops up with his own objection, saying the audio is relevant because it shows that the case hasn't been mounted in good faith. If you listen to the language of Aziz Bamba, what do you make of it and his objection?
I mean, he's a very respected lawyer who has so many years of experience. I believe that he would have legal basis to present the argument the way he has presented. I believe that the Attorney General has also fought back with his opposition. Let's leave it for the judge to make a determination of it. I always say that no matter how sliced you cut a bread, there will be two sides of it. And so the beauty of the law is whatever position you take, if you are diligent enough, you'll be able to provide legal basis for it, unless, of course, it's completely unsupported. And so I believe that Dr. Bamba had supported his position with legal authority, and the AG has opposed also with legal authority. That is why there's the judge. Let's see how the judge will take it from there.